Hello, I'm Li Bing from the China in Shanghai. Today, I will give my presentation is about the practice of the clinical engineering discipline in development in China. The total hospital clinical engineers in China, they stay in the three levels, level 3, level 2, and level 1 hospitals. The clinical engineers in China is about 110,000 engineers. The China's clinical engineers development from the 40 years before. We just started in 1980s. It just the job is about repairing. In the 90s, the most import the foreign the advanced equipment to the hospital. So the main job is the procurement. In the 21 centuries, we start to do the quality control of the medical equipment. And in the 10th, we will do more about the evaluation of the new technology about our consumable material. And in recent years, we were more focused on the innovation of the new technology. We will consider about our deficiencies in the development of the clinical engineers. First is the insufficient professional ability. Second is the insufficient influence. Third is a low social recognition. Then, so we needed to do some actions. First, we needed to promote our academic promotion. Second, it make the technical capability enhancement. Third is management quality improve. The fourth is more recognition. The sixth is the more social influence, and the last is the innovation. So we have to following projects, or including the National Academy activity, training, and certification, organizer CE skill competition, established QC quality, a prize outstanding use CE, promote annual excellent CE, survey of after-sales service, and also some other projects. First is the National Academy activities. We host our National CE Academic Congress annually every year in the different areas in the province in China. And also our CE committees continue to expand. In the 1993, there's only 6, but after 30 years development, we were covered now about 27 province, from the 19% to the 87% province. And also we do a lot of worldwide academic activities, including some activity in the China, and also some activities in the ACRI in the US. And also we have sent our committees to United States, attend some academic conference. And more, we still remember 10 years before, in the 2015 October's, the first ICE and HTMC Congress held in the Hangzhou. And after that, we decided at that day is Global CE Days. So this is our very proud of this Congress. And also we do some training and certification. including the international ICCE certification programs from 2005. Since the 2005, the international ICCE training course, along with our certification program, has been launched and sponsored by CSCE. And also, after 2012, we had hold the national certification clinical engineers all over our country, and we have some practitioners, graduates, and technicians. And also we have some local academic organizations and quality certifications. This is numbers we have passed the certification, and also we do these programs in the 5 years. And another program is about the skill competitions. CE skill competitions started from Eastern China. We have several sections. The first one is the troubleshooting, and the second one is the quality inspection. Third one is theoretical knowledge competitions. And the fourth is the case analysis. And the last is clinical training. And this section is skills to improve our abilities of clinical engineers. We spread these competitions to globalize to the nationwide skill competitions. We have started the competitions on the 6 kind of equipment we have selected, like the respiratory patient monitor, ultrasound, DR, endoscope, and hemodialysis machine. The fourth action is about the award of the outstanding young youth CE in China. We have province and civil elections, quality examination, and finally we have 21 outstanding youth people selected as nationwide outstanding youth CE. And also we have another programs annually awarded to the China best clinical engineers. This like the every year so we do that. And like we have done this project every years, select activities held in the 15 consecutive years, totally about 800 outstanding clinical engineers and 187 outstanding clinical engineer teams have been selected. This is a big programs. Every years we like these programs to promote our nationwide CE promotions. And also we established quality control centers. The first quality control centers was set up by Shanghai Municipal Public Health Bureau in 2005. And this quality center is a semi-official organization which reported to the local MOH. This MD Center is a committee consists of some expected from the hospitals. We can do these many jobs, follow the local MOH. Now, up to now, there's 15 province set up the medical equipment quality control centers in China. This will give a lot of effort to enhance the CE in the hospital. Next projection is releasing annual top 10 CE advance any years in the last 5 years. Every years we promote annual top 10 advances clinical engineering in China. We first is collect some material gathering. Second is searching seeking our expert experience. The third step is CE expert voting. And the last, we will get this result released. And also this clinical engineer advance originally is from, we can divide it to the four dimensions. One is outside, one is inside. Another one is management, and another one is technology. So there's four reasons. Four reasons is about first reason. First area is new policy. Second area is new achievement, and the third area is new products, and the fourth area is new technologies. Every years we have promote annually top 10 advance in clinical engineers in China. This is in the 2020. We get the 10 top pro advances in China. And also in the 2021 year, we also select this 10 top 10 clinical engineer advance in China. It's about some new policies, it's about some regulations, and also about the new product like the surgical robot, and also about the new achievement about some standards we released by our clinical engineers, and also about some the new technologies about the IoT technology to make our medical equipment management more smart. And also another program is established our Clinical Engineer Development Museum. Is a big museum, established the world's first physical museum of development history of Chinese medical equipment, engineering, with the theme of development series of the hospital's clinical engineers. And also release every New Year's some research programs. These research programs, we can set up the annual year's guidelines of application of clinical engineer research project is released. This is a nationwide project. Every 2 years, we will release these guidelines. These guidelines every year, we can get more than nearly 100 research projects to promote our clinical engineers research levels. And another advanced project is about the standards. We make some release of the multiple levels interdiscipline series standards to promote the standardized clinical application and the scientific management of the medical device. This is in the recent 5 years, we have released several standards of national. This is our vision, being the leader of the China clinical engineers, the guideline of the health technology use, and the facility of the international academic exchange. Our mission is unite clinical engineers, professionals, and promote healthcare technology application, and to lead clinical engineer development to promote human health. And our value is honest and hardworking and endless striving for excellence and a collaboration for the innovation. And in the last, thank you all, and also welcome to attend 6th ICE and HTMC in the Shenzhen in China. Welcome to China. Thank you. Thank you all.